Hi. Booger, come here. Come here. Come here. You go back.
It's the hiccups whenever she laughs too much.
You get the hiccups? That a fake laugh? Did you get a haircut today? Did you get a haircut? Did you? You don't know? Did you get a haircut today? Come here. Come here. Look at your hair. It's so pretty. You look so pretty.
She slapped her knee.